Hi everyone, back out in the back garden deck again. We're going to be planting some seeds today. And we had some mini greenhouses we did the other day, but had to start all over from scratch because my doggy ate it all. So let's get started. So I have some recycled plastic food containers here, like you get at the grocery store. This one's like mushrooms. This one's for blueberries, and I put the coffee filter here inside here to hold the dirt in. And then this one here, it's got some holes. And then I'm just going to sit this in here, and this can be in my little windowsill inside in the kitchen. So it'll be nice and safe for my doggy. But this one is started. One little, and I have some dirt here, which needs to be wet some more. So gonna have some water over here, and we're just gonna scoop some out. Alright, cooler full of water. So yeah, there's holes in there. It's a little wet. Alright, what do I need? Got my garden bag here. Get some dirt. And my little shovel. Put some dirt in there. So I scooped all this up and saved it from the greenhouses. My doggy didn't eat the dirt, but it has some toilet paper rolls in there. There's some coffee filters in there, and I put some dirt in there. I need to put some more. Sifting through the coffee filters pieces that she chewed up. Here's a clematis flower sprout we planted. It's dead. Got to start some more of those. Alright, so now we got all the water drained right out, all of my table. This needs to be moistened some more. Yeah. Need some more water. Moisten it up. Ready to plant. So this right here, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to just go ahead and poke some holes in it. This is for let's see, what do we got here? Got some garden hose here. There's a piece of metal wire. That didn't work, it bent. making all this dirt. Not too pretty right now. See, I had a sprout in a toilet paper tube. It's all dead now. I'm gonna be right back to get some more dirt. Alright, we're back. Got some more dirt. Scooped a whole bunch out of my box bed out here. Nice, good, yummy dirt. Yummy worm dirt. And then put some, here's a piece of plastic. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this good dirt on top of here. Top that off. Got a bunch of leaves broke down in there. This one, what do we got up here? Some rusty metal pieces of wire. Some junk. I need to clean my yard. But anyway, it's not sharp enough. So this one right here, we can put some holes in the bottom and sit it on a little tray. Better use my hands. So this one's ready to plant. It's got like 4 deep pockets in there, areas. Alright, so this one, would be a good idea for a greenhouse. Just like, so before we had toilet paper tube, like seed pods in here. We planted some clematis seeds in here. They sprouted, they were about this tall. And then the dog ate them. So we're starting over. And we're just not even going to do the toilet paper rolls this time. Just going to start some seeds. Get them going. Got me a big bucket of dirt. This is ready to go. What else did I have out here? Here's our jug we did the other day. We got ready. We prepped this to make a little greenhouse. And it's chewed. But I think it'll be fine. Got some air holes in it already. I don't know. I might just throw this away. Here's a little flower pot. Put holes in this too. Oh no. I wouldn't do that one. Don't have any more. Have to get some more. So let's go ahead and just fill this one out. This one I planted something in this last year. It already has some holes in it, the drainage. Can't remember what it was. Not in there anymore. We got some dirt in here. Oh! And I found a sprout. Found a little sprout. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Alright, so we have 4 things ready to plant seeds. Top that up some more. Here's a little centipede. Little brown one. Teeny tiny little one in there. We'll just be careful and be nice to him. Let's see. Lime basil. That smells really good. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Another big thing is lime basil here. I grew a lot of this. But I think we're planting some catnip in this first one. It's going to be in the kitchen window or full sun, 6+ hours, 80 to 90 days till harvest, and it gets to 18 inches in height. Zones 4 to 6, and I'm in zone 6B. What zone y'all in? Where you at? Outdoor zone. No, we're gonna do it indoor. Cats love the smell. Okay. 3 plants per container. 12-inch container. Or plant in ground. Let's see what would happen. What do they look like? Oh my goodness. Ooh. plants per container. There's like 100 seeds in there. This is gonna be fun. So we're gonna plant them. 6, 7, 8, 9. I made 9 holes. Let's see. I have a really cool little seed sifter, but I've never used it before. I've really figured it out. Here it is. I guess I did use it. It is good. Alright. I have different sizes on here. Different size seeds. There's 4 of you in it. I don't know. It's gonna go really fast. That's quite a bit, and there's still a lot in there. On there. Oop, they're falling out. They're falling out. Alright, so it's on number 1. It's the smallest seed hole slot on here. Is any coming out? Come on. Alright, there's like 5 coming out, probably, or more in each hole. Okay, so we're just gonna cover these over some. Our soil's pretty nice and wet, like at the bottom anyway. So we're just, like this has got all our water in here. Just drip a little bit. Water them seeds in. Okay. Those are done. Catnip. We need a plant tag. Do we now? Okay. Taggy. Alright, everybody help me remember this one is kitty catnip. Go on to this one right here. This one's going to be there's like 16 holes in that one. And we'll get, right here I have some, this is my variety basil. It's got all these different varieties of basil on there. And easy to grow. So, days to germinate, 21 days, a ½ inch deep. $50 days until harvest. And there is lettuce, sweet, bush, and red basil varieties. Lettuce basil, sweet basil, bush basil, and red basil varieties. So, start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before your last frost. My last frost is like April 30th, I believe. So what we got? I think we're pretty good. We're pretty good on time. Sow in open ground, well exposed when soil is warm, and then plants are a few inches tall. Then transplant to garden after frost. Harden off before transplanting. It just like didn't make no sense. It jumped around like indoor, outdoor, indoor, outdoor. These are bigger. They're basil seeds. We got a little bit more. We're less in here. A lot less seeds in here, and they're bigger. There are a variety of basil. And they're all like, okay, some are a lot bigger than the others. You can see this. I've got you over there in the shade. Anybody see that? Alright. Come on. Alright, good enough. Let's see. Variety of basil. Let's get them in their holes. There's a few left in there. These tiny little baby seeds. This one, you just shake it lightly, and they're planted. Here we have a little water in here. One of these in. Now, we have these two little greenhouses. These aren't going to have a top on them. These will have tops on them, and so these are going to be, yeah. These will be like true greenhouses because they'll have a little top. Like stay nice and humid and moist in there to help them grow. So, let's see, what? Red creeping thyme. Red creeping thyme. And somebody gave me these, and I started them last year and it didn't work out, so we're gonna try it again. Like, they sprouted and then it got too cold or something. I don't remember. We got crazy weather here. So super little. That's a lot. Okay, we're going to save some. In case we're going to try these again. Save some of these. These are going to be like number 1 again on here. This one. Meeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay, I got 4 holes in each little cupcake hole. Cupcake cell. Ooh, that came out a lot. Coming out a lot. Real fast. These are super small. It's a beautiful day today. Birds are chirping. We've got basil, catnip, and red creeping thyme. Those are covered over. We get a little, yeah, we'll use this. Get some water over here out of my cooler full of water. We'll water them in. Not too much. This doesn't have holes in the bottom yet. Just a little bit. Nice and heavy. It's weighted down. Water good. Alright. So this one we can just go ahead and close it up. And kickstart the germination process. We've got here our little mini greenhouse. They're gonna sprout up and have some room before I open it. I'm gonna put some holes in the bottom here. This one is we have one more to do. What are we gonna plant? Flowers. Alright, I think these are some lucky numbers here. 26, 37, and 65. Let me know. So, we've got clematis seeds we're gonna start some more of. And I believe, I don't know, we had blue, purple, pink last year. And I think the black seeds are the good ones. But I have a bunch of brown ones and some black ones. So, just gonna dump some of these out here. I'll just pick out some black ones. And maybe I'll put, I'll just do them all. I don't know, maybe the different colored ones have something to do with the different colored seeds. Or maybe the black ones are the mature ones. Alright, let's see. Come on. So, I think we'll put about, let's see, I don't know. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Friday the 13th. Yep, 13 in the outside. And we'll put five inside. And 1 in the middle. Black one in there. Come on. And like put 2 of these clematis seeds in each hole to see what happens. We have black one and a tan one. I think I got them all. I think everybody's got at least 2 friends. 2 friends in each hole. And at least 2 this one, I think we'll just shake it. Super easy. Shook it a little. And seeds are all covered up. Yeah, get these watered in. These are clematis seeds. Right. We've all got a good amount of water. Little greenhouse lid is all dirty now. Go ahead and close this up. And now we have a little greenhouse here, ready to grow. Hope you liked coming along planting some seeds with me today. We have clematis, red creeping thyme, basil varieties, purple and what was it? Yeah, red, bush, sweet, and lettuce, basil, and some kitty catnip. I'm just gonna put that in there for seeds anyway. I'll throw this away. Hope you like coming along with me. We gotta label our seeds we planted, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for being here. Bye.